What's going on, guys? My name is Anders Larsson and Scott will reveal this web service called Activepieces. The title is No Code Business Automation with More Privacy. Activepieces is a no-code open source business automation tool that was created to meet the privacy needs of the internet today. It consists of 50 items and still counting substitutes for Zapier and Workato. And this is what Scott is going to present in a couple of minutes. But before I show you the video, I want to tell you about something I think could be interesting to you. So this will be about the vast number of online services. And I know when I didn't know what I was doing, I felt overwhelmed and actually annoyed by these online services because all of them gave the illusion that they could grow my business overnight. It's easy to believe the hype and waste time and money on tools that don't work. But the truth is that there is no easy way to get ahead. It takes hard work, dedication, and a good knowledge of how digital marketing works. Don't fall for the quick fix. At least invest in a decent education and learn the skills you need to build a business that will last and make money. Before we start talking about the topic for today, I want to tell you something important. At the end of this video, I will show you how to get my free video training. And this is about how to start an online business, which is full of useful information. I will also tell you how you can get started using the same system that I used to learn about digital marketing. And I have taken the best bits that I learned from this system and added this into this free video training. So if you check it out, this free video training, then you can decide if it is worth to explore this system. It's up to you what you want to do. But now it's time for Scott to take over, so I will see you after the video. It's your turn, Scott.
Thank you, Anders. Activepieces is a no-code, open-source business automation tool that was made to meet the privacy needs of the internet today. Activepieces can be hosted on your own server or in the cloud, and you can still read our public code. We have 48 pieces and are getting more. Hello, YouTube users. Open mouth smile. I'm Ashraf, one of the co-founders of Activepieces. We have 24 plus open source volunteers, and I'm here to show you what we've been up to. When we used automation tools like Zapier at my last job, we found that it got very expensive very fast, and we didn't have many options for self-hosting business automation when data had to stay on premises. So, to solve these problems, we made Activepieces. Activepieces consists of open-source no-code tools for automating a business. Privacy comes first, 50 items and still counting. Substitutes for Zapier and Workato. Now that we have more than 1,000 people, we thought it was time to share it with the rest of the PH community. For whom is this? Community that hosts itself. Companies that want to build automation and care about privacy. Automators who don't like being limited. Users who are tired of Zapier's price or limits. Goods who want to build automation into them. Many of our linked apps, such as Google Sheets, Asana, HubSpot, MailChimp, ChatGPT, and others, let us use branching, loops, and code. Here's where you can find the full list. https://www.activepieces.com/pieces. You can learn how to use Activepieces by watching this 2-minute video. Or read my post about how Activepieces, Google Sheets, and OpenAI can help you scale up your blog content. https://www.activepieces.com/blog/. Soon, Building Flows will be able to use natural words. Megaphone, a big shout out to everyone who helped us make this happen and to our core team, who spent many long nights coding. We'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas about where you'd like this to go in the future, and we appreciate your help. Well done, at Ashraf_Samhori. Great plan and team. You have a great tool, and I'm glad to help out. Alright, over to you, Anders.
Thank you, Scott, for sharing this with us. Alright, I want to discuss the time when I started my career as an influencer. I had just gotten help from another influencer that really had success in her business. She advised me to try her solution, which was a program with the right training and coaching for those who were new to the field of online marketing. And of course, the decision was really hard because I was very skeptical. But on the other hand, I've failed in so many things and I wasted so much time. So I wanted to try something different, something very different that I've never done before. And I was just a newbie back then. I dove into the training and started to educate myself. Once I figured out this thing, I knew that I finally had something that could help my audience. So if you have something awesome, if you have something that you really believe in, that you trust, then wouldn't it make sense to promote it and stick to just that instead of being all over the place? I wanted everything in that system to make sense, and it was one of my main rules. When I recommend someone to that system, they will receive a personal coach, just like I did. That made sense to me because people really need someone to coach them and help with getting things set up. The fact that I at last had something I could use to help others also made sense. I mean, I have a solution that is effective and I'm confident will be effective for my audience. I could enjoy this journey much more and get inspiration from other people by just feeling helpful to another person. While doing that, I know I have a solution that helps them. Thanks to the coaches in my system, I know the things I don't know and don't have enough experience to know. They will be helpful to someone, so I no longer feel stranded. And I can help other people to truly begin to get it for themselves as well. Anyway, if you want to check it out, there is a link to my website in the description. There you can click on the red button if you don't want to sign up for my free video training. This red button will take you to one of the landing pages of the system I use in my business. Simply sign up to learn more about it and how to get started. I know it is not that easy to take the first step, but as with everything, if you want things to happen in life, you are the only one that can make that happen. Why not click the like button if this video taught you something worthwhile? Giving me a like will absolutely help my channel, and I know it is not that easy to rank on YouTube, so clicking like is very helpful. Also, if you want to be notified when I upload new movies or videos like this one, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. Anyway, I hope I see you in my next video. Stay awesome, take care, and I will see you later. Bye bye.